Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our FC26 and I noticed one thing. It's always some Azuri and Vermilion and I would like to change that. So I would like to tell to Cloud that add some other choices, for example from other leagues like Spanish, English, then I don't know, then what else, Italian and stuff like that. So we can write to it. Okay, Cloud, I want to be able to choose other clubs, other real clubs, such as Real Madrid or Barcelona or Chelsea. So I want you to add leagues. Where are the teams? For example, English League. Here are only English teams. Or Spanish League. So okay guys, let's send it in and let's wait for Cloud to reply. So okay guys, here it is. We can choose our clubs. As you see, here is Premier League, La Liga, Serie A, Bundesliga and Ligue 1 France. We can choose any team. So I would like to choose Chelsea, and opponent I would like to choose, let's choose Manchester United. As you see, it changes its color. As we all know, Manchester City is blue, so here is blue. But Manchester United is red, so here is red. And Chelsea is blue, so here is blue. Then Real Madrid is white, so here is white. So I think guys, it's really great function. Here we also have Barcelona, that's red or blue. So for example, if we come over here and choose Real Madrid, Barcelona will be blue. So guys, this is our very good function. So I will see you in the next video. So guys, as you'll see, Borussia Dortmund is yellow. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.